Truthiness. Unlike some languages, Python does not require that if statements have Boolean expressions in their conditional. This may seem surprising, but it is actually an extremely convenient feature named Truthiness. The idea is that any expression, whether it is an integer, string, Boolean, or otherwise, can be evaluated in a conditional. Any expression can be evaluated as a conditional according to the rules of Truthiness. How it is evaluated depends on its type. For integers and floats, any non-zero value is considered true. For strings, any non-empty string is considered true. The none type has no true values. Let's look at a simple example, where we take some input from a user. If the user entered an empty string, then we'll print out a different message. When you need to check if a string is not empty, or a number is not zero, Truthiness is the way to go. Notice how each of the following can become much more concise and clear. One of the reasons why understanding Truthiness is so important is that it opens up an entire new set of mistakes. The example program shown here demonstrates the mistake. If you read over the code out loud, you would probably expect the condition to evaluate to false and the print statement to not be executed. The variable alpha holds the value 5, which is not equal to 3 or 4. However, you may recall that the OR operator has a lower priority than the equals operator. Python will first evaluate the equality test between the variable alpha and the value 3, which will result in false. Since the operator is OR, we next evaluate its right-hand operand, so Python will evaluate the value 4 on its own, and use that value as the result of the conditional expression. Since 4 is a non-zero value, the entire expression evaluates to true, thanks to the rules of Truthiness. When evaluating expressions, you must keep track of whether Truthiness was accidentally involved.